but her behavior to this court is, for a member of the bar, is atrocious. I issued an order to show cause to Ms. Tobe on January 20th. I set the hearing for today. Show cause was sent out. The 14 days was given. As best I could see from the file, it was certainly sent out. It was sent down to the clerk's office and mailed out. We then get email from Ms. Tobe, and it's entitled 2 p.m. show cause today. It's addressed to my judicial coordinator. And it says, hello, I have not gotten any notice at my address or email for the show cause D. Tobe. You show scheduled for today at 2 p.m. on Judge Simpson's docket. I do not know anything about this. I have not had any contract from the court about it, and am unable to attend. So that I can make the record clear. A notice to show cause was sent by the clerk's office. When I'm looking at the file, the process that the court follows, I sign off on the order to show cause. It's sent to the clerk's office and then sent out to the parties. That happened. Additionally, and it's odd that we received the response today, and I'm sure all of you probably would have seen this process in one form or another. But on January 27th, the first version of the docket, which is set for today, would have been sent out by email to the parties. You then get an updated version. I think it's the initials, and the updated version was sent out on January 30th, which would show it's scheduled. You're looking at the time. Then the day before, because things get moved around and whatever, we send out our final of it. For Ms. Tobe to say that she had no notice of it or anything along those lines is just patently false, because I have the emails of those various dates, the 27th, the 30th, and the 2nd, where Ms. Tobe is emailed directly at her email address showing this to be scheduled. So it is once again a delay on her part to not show up. I will go further to say that she consistently flaunts this court's orders by, when she's off of a case, filing documents. I don't mind the parties when they want to argue with the court, but the disrespectful manner in which she has argued before this court. Some people show their disrespect in different ways, but it's always noted with Ms. Tobe, she is a member of the bar of this state. I do not take lightly issuing show causes against attorneys in the first place. Don't like to do it because usually, because they are officers of the court, I can command them to be before the court at whatever point I want them to be before the court. But her behavior to this court is, for a member of the bar, is atrocious. And what I think, at least as I've seen in 2 cases, predicaments which she has put individuals which she alleged to have or was representing is also, from my perspective anyway, atrocious and highly unethical in terms of some of the ways that she's been proceeding. So it is with great dismay, but when an attorney or someone tells me I'm not appearing, I know they've had notice of it and they refuse to come before the court. The court is only left with one other option, which is its ultimate way in which to compel someone to appear. And so I'm going to issue a bench warrant for Ms. Tobe's arrest. Her bond in this case, your approximate bill, counsel, what's the approximate amount that you have at this point?
Your Honor, that I have at this point is $6,975.
Good enough. So I will issue a bench warrant. Bond will be set in the amount of $10,000 cash and or surety. That warrant will issue immediately.